Okay, presto. Okay, presto.
Video protected.
Ay, qué puñeta, coño, maricones, pendejos, cabrones. Ay, mira, somebody's dog. What the fuck?
I think in June, people can host their own. Really?
Let's just stop right in the middle of the street.
To text.
To text.
What an asshole.
Video protected.
That has to come in and.
Hello.
Oh, he's like 100. Oh God, he shouldn't be driving.
Okay, presto.
Motherfucker. He looks like he can't see over that damn steering wheel. He looks like
he's just hiding behind it, right?
Like he dying in the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Maybe they should revoke his license. He's too old to be on the road.
Fucking bastard. Okay, presto.
Video protected.
What an asshole. Like, really, motherfucker?
New vehicle on the road. According to the recall, the malfunction involved potential overheating.
Totally ate the light.
Video protected.
Fucking bastard, man. Okay, presto.
Video protected. It's like so. It's like you're in a different time zone. It has light.
Yeah, right? And they all have that same design, like, but it's like they need to change that design. Ooh.
Damn.
Wow. Video protected.
It's like, I hope that lady don't see.
He got into it with her and
Oh, that's bad. That's gonna be
Income now. It has averaged about 250. Over the last several years.
Go to the beach because you got a lifeguard here.
yeah, there's 2 lifeguards right there.
There could be some alligator in there.
Now enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
Terry Circle. Yeah. Body, Aki.